What's up, guys? Welcome back to Japan. I looked out the window of the hotel and in the parking lot. Guess what I found? You can see some of it behind me. Some Evo Laurel 8086 and a JZX90 Chaser. Super sick, super clean. Let's check it out. So right off the bat, check out this Laurel. Sitting really, really low. Got some Volks wheels on it. Big old front mount. Look at these wheels. Painted red calipers, aftermarket fenders. Got a little boo-boo on there. Trying to look at that. Tuck in the rear. The fitment on this is really, really clean. Tokyo Fresh, or Fresh Tokyo. Got bread seats inside. I don't know if you can tell. It's got a Momo wheel as well. Huge shift knob. Wish I had my filters, my polarizer, so you can see that better. Loving the roof spoiler. Man, this car is so clean. Oh man, I'm so glad to be back in Japan. Said it once, I'll say it 1,000 times. Got silencers and exhaust. I'm sure it's probably too loud without it. Four-door cartel. That is sick. Whoever's car this is, it is awesome. Good work on it. Got the license plate relocation kit, so it unblock the intercooler. That is sick, dude. Love the car. Oh snap! Check out the Evo. You guys gotta help me out. Is this a 1, 2, or 3? I just don't know my Evos all that well, but it looks sitting pretty much factory intercooler. It does have some aftermarket BBS wheels on it though. Some little bitty guys. Look at those things. Those are only 16s. Beautiful car though. It's got a Momo steering wheel as well, if you can see inside there or not. This has got to be a 1 or 2, I think, because of the wing. It looks different, doesn't it? Oh, I'm not sure. Whoa, even has stock exhaust. That is crazy. You never see any sports cars out here with factory exhaust on them still. It's nuts. Little GSR Evolution. Oh man, I love Japan. And right behind it, check out this Mark II. Staggered wheels, got the 2-piece works on there. Really nice fitment. Got a little boo-boo there. Aftermarket exhaust. I just can't get over these wheels. Oh, I love these work wheels, man. Oh man, really, really gorgeous. Woof, that's no good. Broke the bumper on something. All factory interior, except for a gigantic shift knob that lights up. Pretty cool. And then right next to it, this is crazy. Right next to it is the 11 in red and black. Some mismatched wheels. Maybe it's a drift car. I don't know. I do love these cars though. I love that spoiler. Oh my goodness. Looks like it's got an aftermarket exhaust, straight piped. So what do you guys think? Do you like the 11, the Mark II, the Evo, or the Laurel? The Laurel is probably the rarest car here out of these three. It's the zip ties holding the bumper on. This has got to be a drift car, right? If you guys know who these cars is, let me know in the comments. These are all of them. Tag all the owners. I'm really curious. It's amazing. And there's so much stuff. There's a JZX100 over here. There's a Supra. A Skyline JZX100 as well. I like the 100 Chasers a lot, actually. Got a twin turbo Legacy B4. Got a Fairlady Z, another Fairlady Z. The MkIV STI. This is crazy. All these cars just hanging out together in the parking lot. I love this. These STIs, the factory, the Momo wheel, BBS wheels. There you go. Got a nice fat exhaust on there. Oh my goodness, I love this thing. I take it back. I wouldn't take the Jimny. I would take this. This would be my SUV if I were to get one. Really awesome. Got the Altezza. Everybody seems to love the Altezzas out here. Really cheap, affordable cars. For Japan at least. I think it's a really good looking car. It's got a Recaro racing seat in it. Looks to be all solid. Ooh, it's got a confetti Recaro seat. I love those confetti seats. Man, I can't believe it. All right, real quick, I'm gonna film this Supra so you guys don't kill me in the comments. Check out this black Mark IV, rocking the Volk wheels. Got a silencer in the exhaust. It appears to be deregistered. I'm not sure what's going on in the story behind this. It is a manual. All factory seats. Man, that is a nice looking car. I think these look awesome from the factory. With no wing, I think they look great. The wheels might need a slightly more aggressive offset. But check out this R33 GTST. Rocking the big HKS Priest exhaust in white. Aftermarket wheels. Momo shift knob, I'm sorry, Nismo shift knob, Momo steering wheel. All factory interior. I think, so this I think is a non-turbo Supra. What do you guys prefer, the non-turbo Supra or the GTS, the R33 GTST? Let me know in the comments. I think they just look so much different than my car. It's crazy. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I know it was quick, I just want to walk outside real quick, check out the cars I saw. I am so happy to be back in Japan. Oh, I've missed it so much. Thanks for watching. Hey, let me know which one was your guys' favorite. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and as always, I'll see you next time.